Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Mocha Jules, and if you haven't yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And if you're one of my returning babes, hey! So y'all, today's video is a sponsored video. We are being sponsored by Dolce Mateo Wigs, which is one of my favorite vendors to purchase my wigs from. So y'all, now she has come out with a wig essential kit, and when I tell you, this is something that is a must have. In this wig essential kit, it includes a mini wax stick, a heat resistant comb, the Mateo melt band, a travel size lace wig gel, a full size lace wig gel, double end edge brush, a mini lace cutting shear, 2 crocodile hair clips, 2-piece wig cap, and a travel size zipper pouch. And y'all, when I say I only used everything that was in here to slay my wig, like, do y'all not see this? Let me know in the comments below what y'all think about my install, please, because I feel like I know what I was doing, because I'm a rookie here, and this is flawless, this is slayed, this is everything, and that is only by using what was in here. I'm shook my damn self, okay? So I will leave the link down below for this kit, and you can also use my code MochaJules up until February 28th to get 10% off your order. So please don't miss out on this stuff, because that's, y'all, I'm telling you, get this, it comes in handy, okay? So stay tuned, watch this video, and let's see how I slayed this wig, my own wig, y'all. Another pat on my back, because y'all, I be thinking I be knowing what I'm doing, and I really don't be knowing what I'm doing, but this is everything, okay? Stay tuned, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. All right, babes, let's get into this wig install. First, I'm going to be using the lace cutting shear to cut off my lace. I did go ahead and customize the lace prior to recording this video, so here I'm showing you guys how I'm cutting my lace. I like to cut them all in half, and then I like to split it again, so it's like 4 pieces, and then that makes the cutting easier for me, because like I told you guys in the beginning of my video, I am still a beginner, so I try to go the easiest route as possible.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to meet, who you're going to meet, who you're
Alright, so now I'm using a cream foundation that I have to tint the lace. I could have did a better job, but it's okay. So I'm wiping off my forehead. It's to remove any residues before applying the wig. And then next I am measuring the wig on my head to make sure it's fitted properly before applying the lace gel. Okay, and now I'm bringing out the crocodile clips to hold my hair prior to applying the lace gel, because I want to, you know, bring back all of the hair so that none of the hair get caught up. So that is the best thing to do while applying your lace. Here I'm cutting more of the lace, which in particular is by my ear, so that this can give the wig a better fit for my head. And I did cut a little bit more than I expected due to the wig being kind of too big, but it's okay. It did ended up fitting properly. Now it's time to apply the lace gel. Ladies, please do not allow your lip gloss to get confused with the lace gel. This is such a cute applicator. It reminds me of a lip gloss. It definitely is convenient too. It makes the applying very, very simple and easy and less messy.
Have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're gonna be.
So I did apply 2 layers of the gel just to make sure that it holds properly, and I waited about 10 minutes to let it dry. Okay, I'm lying. I waited about less than 5 minutes and I applied the wig, which I should have waited a little bit longer, but I did not. But I am going to reinstall this wig and apply about 3 layers and let it hold for a longer time.
You have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're gonna be.
Now I'm taking my Dolce Mateo melting band and putting it across so that I can allow the lace to dry properly and that we can get a better hold. When I say it was so easy just to put on this band, all I did was attach both sides together and 1, 2, 3, we were done. So now I am removing the melting belt and I am loving how it's looking. Like, I'm not even done yet, and look at this. Definitely was holding together, nothing was lifting. It was chef's kiss. Okay, I mean, I can clean the residue that you're seeing, which I am doing right now, and to get that out the way, and then also too, I can also apply foundation to remove, because I know you guys are seeing that the lace is a little bit light, but I'm going to use some foundation, you know, just to dim it down. Alright, so now I'm about to do some baby hairs. I'm not too much of a fan of baby hairs, so that's why I'm not taking too much hair. But because I'm doing a part down the middle, I'm like, okay, let me just, you know, do a little bit of baby hair just to give this look a nice look.
Have to be your biggest fan, and when things are really tough and they're really rough and nothing's working, but there's something inside of you that says, I just have to follow that, because you don't know who you're going to meet.
Alright, so now I'm taking my lace gel again to apply to my baby hairs. I did use some foam as well to lay down the baby hairs, and again the lace gel, and it came together to give it a nice natural look. Y'all, please don't judge my baby hairs because it's a work in progress. It's really hard, but it's not that hard, but it's not easy. So I'm trying. We're gonna take our melting band again to lay down the edges to make sure it is, again, chef's kiss. So just give it a few minutes so that them edges can lay down while you customize your wig. So now I'm taking the heat resisting comb to part down the middle of the wig, and then I'm going to be using the mini wax stick to lay down the hair. And then after I apply this wax, I'm going to use my hot comb to again lay this wig down. And after I do that, I'm going to use my flat iron to flatten the hair and, you know, just make it straight. so we got the left side down pat. Now let's go ahead and fast forward to the right side and see the finishing touches. And voila, isn't this cute? Oh my god. Yes, girl, yes. So now let's go ahead and remove the band and boom. Look at this, y'all. It is cute, okay? I mean, I know I could have, you know, tinted the lace a little bit more, but that's okay. It's still cute. It's still slayed. Remember I said I'm a rookie. I'm gonna get used to this and I promise it'll start getting better. But you know, for somebody who don't do wigs often, I think this was good. Do you think? Like, let me know. Alright y'all, so this is the end result, and you guys, I am definitely feeling everything about this. Like, I'm so shocked that it turned out looking like this, because when I say I'm a beginner, I am a beginner, and it looked like I actually knew what I was doing. Come on, come on. So all I used was everything that was in this kit, y'all. Nothing else was used except everything in here. That comes to tell you that this definitely comes in handy. This is definitely a must-have. This will give you glueless, flawless, all of the above. You feel me? So again, y'all, don't forget to use my code Mocha Jewels. Mocha Jewels. Everything is down below up until February 28th to get your 10% off your order. Mocha Jewels. Okay, use the code Mocha Jewels. Get yours. Let me know if you get it too. Leave it in the comments below if you purchase yours. DM me on Instagram, whatever. Just let me know. Make sure you let me know if you get yours, okay? Let me know. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.